How to change language in Beach Buggy Racing 2. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to change your display language in the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game so that you can play the game in your chosen language. First of all, launch open the game on your device, and once you're inside the home section, go to the top left and tap on your gear button. Now, you'll see this expanded menu. Click settings from the top center. Inside settings, tap on the English option over there, and once you do that, you'll be able to change between different language options. Keep selecting the same menu to change or switch between languages. Once you come across your chosen language, you can then get back, and there you have it. That is how you change your language setting in the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game. You can always repeat the step to change to your preferred language whenever you want. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.